I just want to say, if anybody at all is thinking about creating their website, maybe they are wanting to do a new website for their next big chapter, go check out Christina's website creation workshop. It's not just that you get an incredibly amazing, comprehensive, easy to follow, step-by-step approach to building your website. Her team is absolutely incredible and amazing. I just launched my site. It's not even on, it's not a student page anymore. Something weird, I won't even get into it. I goofed something up. They caught it and reached out and asked me if I was okay. Just today. So I just want to say she's amazing. Her team's amazing. You sign up for a year. I signed up. I re-signed up. I'm signing up again for another year strictly because of the incredible support Christina and her team provide. Talk about feeling supported and cared for. Her team provides all of that. So